Good morning, day 163 of Peter and Doxie sailing from New South Wales to Queensland here in Rosslyn Bay, where we've pretty well taken up residence. If you haven't been following, you'll know that we'll be, well, if you haven't been following, you won't know that I'm here because I'm waiting for an engine change, slotting in a new Volvo, hopefully in the next couple of weeks, and then we can continue our journey. Which would be south now as the season comes to an end. Yeah, beautiful day. The wind that we've had the last few days seems to have gone now. So we're going to celebrate by taking the bus into Rockhampton and do some shopping, grocery shopping, supplies, that kind of stuff. So yeah, going to go with some friends and just go and see the big smoke. Went for a huge walk yesterday. So I won't actually mind just sitting on the bus for a while and let the legs recover. So anyway, better go and get ready. I've also been oiling and varnishing the cockpit duckboards, washboards, whatever you want to call them. I'll give that a rest today because I've pretty well run out of oil. So I'll have to get myself some more of that. Perhaps on Monday I might do a run into Yeppoon basically. Anyway, I better get ready and go and have a bus ride to the big smoke. Here we go, here's our ride. Oh my God, I think I'm peopled out already and I've been here, what, 10 minutes maybe? A bit longer, not much. Okay, but this part's approved. Well, that's Rocky done and dusted. Yeah, that just reminds me never to go to a shopping centre again if I can avoid it. Yeah, and just old and cranky. But yeah, no, I must admit, just children running all over the place, screaming and stuff is just like, yeah, there's just no order or nothing. So anyway, that's my opinion, and that's it. Yeah, so I got some supplies, had another quick nice little sundowners with friends, and hit the sack. Absolutely stuffed, actually. I think there's a sensory overload. Oh, hello. I'm being watched. Yeah, can't get away with much at the moment, can you? So, yeah, and it was sensory overload, I think. I just absolutely shattered. And, yeah, went to bed at a reasonable time and just slept really well. So, that's the end of that day. But thanks for following anyway. It's just nice to see the countryside and stuff. I like to see what's back from the coast. That's the one thing you miss when you're sailing. You don't get to do that all the time. So the countryside in the hinterland can be quite different from what you imagine. So very dry, as you probably picked up on. Not that I'm asking for rain. That can wait until I'm gone, please. Let's just get this all done. Don't want any delays. Not that it would delay anything at the moment because things are just on order, but hopefully we'll have some engine progress in the next week or so. Anyway, thank you for following along. This is Dawn Raider, out.